Alright guys, so we have got to get her into her snowsuit. We're supposed to see snow tomorrow, so let's get her changed. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I really need to invest in a tripod, so give me 1 second. Arms are in, now feet. Alright, so we wouldn't stay out there long, but I do want to take her and get pictures. So her and Peanut will be getting pictures. This is actually going to be their first. I think Gunner has already had snow. I'll have to check in their books. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye guys.